Welcome to our grade 9 science tutorial. In today's video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of matter and exploring the concept of purity. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the question, is matter around us pure? So let's get started. Begin by explaining what matter is. Anything that has mass and occupies space. Mention that matter can be found in various forms such as solid, liquid, and gas like gold, water, oxygen. Matter can be classified as pure substances or mixtures. A substance that consists of only one type of particle is called a pure substance. Their chemical properties remain same, but physical properties may not be same. For example, diamond, salt, sulfur, tin. When we combine different substances into each other, a mixture is formed. Mixtures can be separated by physical methods. For example, lemonade is a mixture of three substances, lemon juice, sugar, and water. Mixtures may be homogeneous mixtures or heterogeneous mixtures. Let's guess these examples and try to differentiate them as pure or mixture. Pause this video and comment below. Great job! Here is the answer. Let's understand what mixtures are. A mixture is a combination of two or more substances that are physically combined, but not chemically bonded. The substances in a mixture can be separated by physical means. There are two main types of mixtures. Mixtures in which the components mix with each other uniformly are called homogeneous mixtures. Mixtures in which the components mix with each other non-uniformly are called heterogeneous mixtures. It's time to differentiate homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. It's time to differentiate homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures has uniform composition while heterogeneous mixtures has non-uniform composition. The components of homogeneous mixture cannot be separated by simple physical methods, whereas components of heterogeneous mixture can be separated by simple physical methods. In homogeneous mixtures, the size of particles are too small to be seen through naked eyes. But in heterogeneous mixtures, size of particles are big enough to be seen through naked eyes. There is no boundary between components of homogeneous mixture, while clear boundary can be seen between components of the heterogeneous mixture. Examples of homogeneous mixtures are alt solution, sugar solution, lemonade. Examples of heterogeneous mixtures are oil and water and sand and water. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on the concept of purity and matter. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or would like to explore more topics, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting grade 9 science tutorials. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your scientific knowledge. Happy learning!